I'm Kriti from team Vanarshala and आज हम सीखने वाले हैं jump to safety vault. Jump to safety vault is made up of two movements. One is a jump, the other is a safety vault. And we are going to learn कि उनका connection कैसे करना है. Essentially, it's about eliminating one leg in the landing of your jump to lead straight into a safety vault. Now let's see how that is done. So typically for a normal jump, I will swing both arms, take off with both legs and land with both legs. For doing jump to safety, I need to be able to land on one leg or more or less on one leg. So my weight is automatically more on one leg and the rest of my weight is more on the other hand. So it should look something like this. Now how can we practice? Step number 1 is to check if you're able to land on one leg safely. So first I'm going to try that on ground. I'm going to stand in a point, look at the area in front of me, maybe mentally mark out the spot I want to land at, and then try my best to land on any one leg that I feel more confident about. So I'm going to swing my hands and land on one leg. Once I know I'm landing well, अगर आपकी landing ठीक नहीं हो रही है, that's okay, you can build it up. For example, initially you might land like this. That's fine. With practice, your other leg will start coming off and you will start gaining more stability on one leg. Once you feel you're landing comfortably on one single leg, now it's time to bring the other hand into the picture. So you start bringing one leg and go down to use your other hand and step out with the leg that you did not land on. Let's look at it again. So you're going to swing your arms, take off, land on one leg, use the other hand and step out with your other leg. Now let's take this to an obstacle. अब यहाँ पे एक word of caution है. I suggest you first take it to an obstacle that needs you to jump upwards rather than go down. Because जब भी आप down जाएंगे तो gravity की वजह से already speed और impact काफी high हो जाएगा. So rather take a height that you're comfortable jumping up to and start landing on one leg first. Now here it's not necessary that you're able to stand in like a pistol squat like I was. अगर आप आके अपना hand भी immediately ला पाते हैं, that's good enough. So something like this. This is fine. It's good enough to do a safety vault because then you can just push out of that position. Now we just have to piece all of this together. So I'm going to take a big leap up, land, hand and out. That's it. That's jump to safety. Now let's see different scenarios जहाँ हम इस movement को use कर सकते हैं. So jump to safety की utility ये है that you can use this movement where you want to jump but you don't want to break your momentum by landing. You want to continue your momentum after the landing. So instead of landing, you just kind of safety out of the landing. Let me show you how that works. So if I was on this wall and I wanted to go there, तो मेरे पास एक ही तरीका था that I could jump. And if I had jumped, then I would invariably stop and maybe I can bounce down onto the ground. But doing jump to safety will let me jump and continue my momentum on the ground. Let me show you how. So guys, there you go. हमारी combination series में now you know one more combination that is jump to safety. Please let us know in the comments if you're enjoying combining these movements that you've known for a long time now. And I don't know आपके nearby environment क्या है, कैसा है, what kind of obstacles you have access to. But one thing I can tell you for sure that if you come to Vanarshala and practice with me and the team, we make sure to have you experience all these movements and combinations here because यहाँ हमने इस तरीके से design किया है that everybody from beginners to advanced can practice the movements they need to practice. So I really look forward to having you here at Vanarshala. And also हमें comments में ज़रूर बताइए कि कोई ऐसी special moves या आपके favorite combinations जिनका हम tutorial बनाए. We would love to make tutorials of things you are looking for. So till then, like, subscribe and share this video, subscribe to the channel, keep sending us likes, keep sending us feedback and we'll see you soon with one more video.